your child is planning to apply to Howard, Yale, Brown, or Dartmouth, or Cornell, the rules have just changed. Do you know that not required or not mandatory condition has been changed since 2026 onwards in most of these Ivy League universities? Myself, Dr. Vanita Agarwal from Admited, we are supporting students from across India to get admission into Ivy League universities of United States. In next 5 minutes, I'm going to explain you what has changed, how to go for it, what kind of scores you need, and when to start preparing. Whether you are in class 11th or class 12th or even in class 10th, and whichever board you are appearing, CBSE, ICSE, or IB board. See, during COVID, we all know that every university went test optional because students do not access or can't access the test centers. And even if post COVID everything opened, but universities still stuck to that SAT is not mandatory or ACT is not mandatory and it is test optional whether a student has given or not. And applications were open, admissions were open to all kind of applicants. But now 2026 onwards, this situation has changed. I'll tell you which universities have opted or are still out of it. So Brown University, Cornell University, and Dartmouth College have made it mandatory from 2026 onwards that we are opting for SAT or ACT scores, while Howard and Princeton are still making it test optional, but they have stated that this is their last year cycle. And from next year, that is 2027, they are going to make it mandatory. Columbia University, on the other hand, has made it a long term policy that they will remain test optional. So there is nothing to worry. Don't take it as a hurdle, take it as an advantage because this is something you can show. So, for example, you are writing an essay, there is no surety about whether your essay in the competitive market of Indian applicants is better than the other student or not. But your SAT score is a definitive score. So, if you have got 1530 plus, you are in top 99 percentile of the Indian applicants. So don't take it as an hurdle and don't get nervous, but start preparing for it. Now, when to prepare and what kind of scores you are aiming in. As I have just told you, you need 1530 plus, and from even top three, you need 1550 plus score. When to start? If you are a class 11th student, then start now and give October SAT as your target exam. Start preparing on your English and maths. Learn how to use the calculator used in SAT exam. 3 to 4 months of focused preparation is enough to get a high score like 1530 plus. If you are in class 12, obviously you have already surpassed. You can take advantage. You can call Admited, and our team will help you in evaluating your profile and getting the application to Ivy League, where SAT score is still not mandatory. Uh, Coming to class 10 students, you are still away. You don't need to worry. But what you can do is focus on your advanced English and math skill so that by the time you are in 11th, you should be able to give an exam in March or April of class 11th. And then if you feel you want to improve on that, then give it in October of your class 11th so that you have a good score. Uh, if you like this content and if you want timely updates on what is changing, how to apply, where to apply, you subscribe our channel on this YouTube by the name Admited, and uh, give us our feedback. You can contact our team. Our all contact info is given on admited.com. If you are applying to Ivy League or if you are planning to apply to Ivy League, call us, connect with us, and we can help you in end-to-end process.